So as you can see in here, there is a substantial difference in the sound and noise output when taking the muffler off your Ninja 400. I know it's not very clear since this video doesn't have the best sound, but in person it sounds like a totally different bike. It also looks much cleaner since the stock muffler was the size of a baby, but I'm not going to say it looks better. It doesn't look bad, but would obviously look better with a nice fitting brand name clip-on, obviously. And if you got the money for it, then I would do it. But I already know my wife would tear my ass up if she caught me blowing cash on bike parts. Well, anyways, I hope this video helped you decide if you want to rip yours off or not. And please feel free to hit me in the comments if you need any help with it. It's pretty soft though. If I'm not mistaken, there was maybe 2 nuts and 1 screw and that was it. This is actually the 3rd time I've taken it off. The first time I ended up putting it back after a couple of days because I was leaving for work around 4 a.m. and it just felt like a dick move to be making that kind of noise so early. Then I ended up painting the muffler and heat shield all black to match the bike, but I did a shitty job and it started to look rough, so I took it off again till I could find a nice price on a replacement. I don't start as early anymore, so I'm just going to leave it off. And I may be tripping balls again, but it honestly does kind of seem like the sound has improved somehow. I don't know. Well, thanks again for checking out my channel. Until next time, you guys ride safe and be good. See you in a bit.